killed a man of honor. I can't be a coward, he says to his fair-haired beauty. Do not forsake me, oh my darling, on this our wedding day. Do not forsake me, oh my darling. Wait alone. I do not know what fate awaits me. I only know I must be brave. Craven coward, oh, like a coward in my grave. Oh, to be torn with love and beauty, supposing I lose my fair beauty. Look at that big hand move along, near behind her. He made a vow in state prison, vowed it would be my life for his. I'm not afraid of death or all. What will I do if you leave me? Do not forsake me,